Are you looking for the fastest and most reliable external SSD in 2025, but feeling overwhelmed by too many choices? Don't worry, I've done the research for you. In this video, I'll share the best external SSDs based on your needs, whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just want fast and safe file transfers. We'll look at speed, durability, compatibility, and price. Let's get started. Segment 1. Fastest external SSDs. Let's begin with the speed champs. If transfer speed is your top priority, these are the best options. Number 1, Samsung T9 Portable SSD. Speeds up to 2,000 megabytes per second. USB 3.2 Generation 2x2 connection. Shock-resistant design and thermal guard. Available in 1, 2, and 4 terabytes. Why it's great. The Samsung T9 is made for creators, gamers, and professionals who need top speed. Whether you're editing 8K video, handling big game files, or moving huge projects, this SSD does it fast and smooth. Key features. Super fast read and write speeds up to 2,000 megabytes per second. Your eye thermal guard keeps it cool during heavy use. Your eyes works with almost everything. Laptops, desktops, cameras, even gaming consoles, yet tough and durable, built to handle everyday use. Comes with Samsung's Magician software for updates and encryption. Compatible with iPhone 16 Pro 4K video, just use the included cable. Number 2, SanDisk Extreme Pro V3, speeds up to 2,100 megabytes per second. Rugged aluminum design with encryption, IP65 water and dust resistance, 1 to 4 terabyte storage options. Why it's great. This is built for creators on the move. It's fast, strong, and secure. Key features: high-speed NVMe performance for large files and 4K editing. Aluminum casing acts as a heatsink, keeps it cool. IP65 rating for water and dust protection. 3-meter drop protection. Built-in encryption to keep your files safe. Use the SanDisk Memory Zone app for easy file management. Segment 2, Best SSDs for gamers. Pay attention. If you're tired of slow loading or running out of space, these SSDs are made for you. Number 3, WD Black P50 Game Drive SSD. Up to 2,000 megabytes per second, designed for PlayStation, Xbox, and PC. Rugged and game-ready look. Why it's great. Faster loads, quick installs, and smooth gaming. The P50 is perfect for hardcore gamers. Key features: lightning fast read speeds, up to 4 terabytes of space for your game library, shock resistant and portable, take it anywhere. USB 3.2 Generation 2x2 for ultra fast transfers. Number 4, Crucial X10 Pro SSD. Speeds up to 2,100 megabytes per second read and 2,000 megabytes per second write. Works with USB-C and USB-A. Water and dust resistant, IP55 rated. Why it's great. This is perfect for both gamers and creators. Fast, reliable, and tough. Key features: NVMe speed for large files and fast backups. Drop proof up to 7.5 feet. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, iPad Pro, PS5, Xbox, and more. Comes with software like Milio Photos Plus, Adobe Acrobat Pro, and Acronis for backup. Segment 3, Best Budget SSDs. Need performance without spending too much? These SSDs offer great value. Number 5, Samsung T7 Shield. Speeds up to 1,050 megabytes per second read and 1,000 megabytes per second write. IP65 water and dust resistance, available capacities in 1, 2, or 4 terabytes. USB 3.2 Generation 2 connection. Why it's great. Affordable, durable, and fast. A great all-rounder for students and professionals. Key features: fast NVMe speeds for everyday use. 3-meter drop protection and water resistance. 256-bit hardware encryption. Lightweight and portable. Use Samsung Magician to manage files. Number 6, Crucial X10 Pro. Speeds up to 1,050 megabytes per second. USB-C and USB-A compatibility. AES 256-bit encryption. Why it's great. reliable, secure, and cross-platform without the high cost. Key features: fast performance for backups and workflows, water and dust resistant, drop tested to 7.5 feet. Works with all platforms: Windows, Mac, Android, Linux, and consoles. Great for travel, school, or field work. Segment 4, best SSDs for creators. If you're a video editor, photographer, or filmmaker, these are built for you. Number 7, SanDisk Professional G Drive SSD, up to 2,800 megabytes per second. Thunderbolt 3 and USB 4 compatible. Aluminum enclosure for heat control, up to 2 terabyte capacity. Why it's great. Perfect for editing high-res video in Final Cut, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. Key features: pro-grade NVMe speeds, IP67 rated, drop-proof, and crush-resistant. Smart thermal design keeps it cool. Works with Mac out of the box. Easy reformat for Windows. Comes with a 5-year warranty. Number 8, Lacy Rugged SSD Pro, up to 2,800 megabytes per second. Thunderbolt 3 connection. Iconic rugged design, bright orange shell, up to 2 terabytes storage. Why it's great: trusted by professionals worldwide. Built to handle anything. Key features: fast enough for real-time 6K and 8K editing, waterproof, dustproof, drop-proof, and crush-resistant. Includes Thunderbolt 3 cable. Works with Mac, iPad Pro, and Windows. Bonus: 1 month free Adobe Creative Cloud. 5-year warranty with data recovery services. Buyer's guide tips. Before you pick your SSD, keep this in mind: interface matters. USB 3.2 Generation 2 equals up to 10 gigabits per second. USB 3.2 Generation 2 times 2 equals up to 20 gigabits per second. Thunderbolt 3 or 4 equals fastest, but only works on some systems. Use case: gaming? Go for fast read speeds and USB-C. Creative work? Choose high capacity and good heat control. On the go, look for shockproof and water-resistant models. Compatibility: check if it works with your system: Windows, Mac, PS5, Xbox, Android, or iPad. Quick recap. Want speed? Go with the Samsung T9 or SanDisk Pro. For gaming, WD Black P50 or Crucial X10 Pro. On a budget, Samsung T7 Shield or Crucial X9 Pro. For pro-level editing, G Drive SSD or Lacy Rugged Pro. Links to all these SSDs are in the description below, plus any deals I found. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which SSD you're picking up. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss the latest gear in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.